Hey there, it's Pam from Paper and Mallet, and I'm here with a new art journal video, process video, showing how I created this girl right here. This is so you can see ahead of time if you want to watch the video or not. Anyway, I want a true confession. I want to tell you up front that it took me longer than usual because I was working on from an image, and I had to actually finally cut out the hands that were like this because I could not figure out how to get them. So that's a trick. Just if you're working off of a copy that you've made, and you can cut it apart, and I literally cut it apart and laid it down and tried to figure out how to get those hands to look like they're coming out. And I don't think I did it justice, but I think like anything, it just takes practice, and the more you do it, the better you get at it. And hands are not something that I have done or painted very much or sketched or anything like that. So I would encourage you, whatever it is that you're trying to get better at, that you just do it every day. And anyway, thanks a lot for watching and following along on this video, on these videos with me. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, the link is below, or you can just click subscribe. And if you'd like to read the blog post that goes along with this painting that I made, then the link is also below in the show notes. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.